Yeah.
All right. Good evening. I'm Aaron Baker, the Assistant Operating Officer at the Treated Water Operations and Maintenance Division here at Valley Water. So we would be like kind of the project owners, although technically I guess the project owner is the ratepayers and the public like you. Thank you for being here and giving us an opportunity to give you an update on how the project is doing here at the Rinconada Water Treatment Plant. We began this project in 2015 to keep your water safe and reliable through smart investment in our infrastructure. Right now, I'd like to introduce a member of our board of directors, Nai Shua, and she will be, we'd like to welcome her above, and she can go ahead and get us, if she has some comments.
I don't have any.
Oh, sorry.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming to this meeting in this weather. Well, at least this is not a worrying night. As I've been attending this meeting since the beginning of the construction, and then I think the faces I saw tonight are familiar faces. Thank you for keeping in touch with us, and hope you get the information you need. Any questions you have we cannot answer tonight, definitely we'll get back to you. So with that.
All right, thank you so much. So first, I'd like to actually also come and maybe ask a quick question of the audience. Do you guys know where the water that the Rinconada Water Treatment Plant is currently treating? Do you know where the raw water comes from?
The Delta.
Correct. Right now, it's actually taking a blend of 50% of the water is coming from the San Luis Reservoir, which actually comes through the Delta, goes down the San Luis Reservoir and comes over. And then the other 50% is actually being pumped at the Banks treatment plant and going through the South Bay Aqueduct along Milpitas and back over to here. So it's really quite impressive what this regional treatment plant facility does. And actually today, we hit the plant capacity of 80 million gallons a day. As you can tell, the heat's kind of coming up, and with that, safe, clean drinking water is actually being distributed all the way out to as far as Mountain View and Los Altos. So, although you know, just locally the plant may be here in Los Gatos, but regionally it has a great beneficial use for all of the county. And as you as neighbors being part of all of this is, and being owners of these types of things is good for those beneficial uses all over the county. So with that, I'll do some further introductions. So behind the computer there we have Tony Mercado. He is the official title is he's the liaison for this project. He also has his cell phone number on the signs, so if you need anything, you give him a call. I hear he even answers in the middle of the night.
Even if he's in Thailand.
Even if.
Oh, wow, see, wow. Oh, great, all right.
I said I'd do my best from there, but.
Okay, and what's that? And then right next to him is Fernando, and
I'm
assistant engineer on the project.
He just joined the team in about, how long? A couple months now?
Yeah.
All right, so a couple of new faces on the team here. And then right next to him is another new face. Emmanuel Ari is an engineering unit manager, and he will be taking on some new challenges with this project. Then we have Roger Hatton. He's with the construction management firm that we have on the project. Steve Twitchell, the supervisor. He's the one who actually works under me and is the guy doing the operations here. He is responsible for the water that comes out of the plant and takes great care in making sure that the plant is running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to ensure that all of that water is going out the door safe, clean, and efficiently. And then lastly, we've got Mike Munson, and the engineering unit manager who's been on this project since the beginning. And with that, I'll turn it over to Mike. Oh, sorry, turn it over to Steve to do our tour.
Yeah, are you interested to kind of see what we're doing?
Get outside.
It is
Yes.
outside. So, we can make it quick.